So Black and White TV is back with a bang.
Well, we assume.
So this is our second video and we thought of doing something slightly different.
We thought of doing the same thing like we did the previous time, wherein we thought of choosing a trending video and talking about it. But this time we thought we'll do somewhat the same. We'll choose a topic which is quite trending for the month or for the week, and we'll shoot it for you guys so that you guys know what that is all about.
And before anybody else tries to copy our patent idea,
We just thought of shooting it for you all today.
so this net neutrality thing is going a bit viral on the internet these days.
Correct. Save the internet.
And all of that.
Correct. So everyone's been trying to figure out what net neutrality is actually and what impact does net neutrality have in our lives. So we just thought of bombarding questions at you all.
Yeah, and if you do not know what net neutrality is, then stay tuned till the end of this video.
Correct.
And you would know.
So let's get started. Do you guys know anything about what net neutrality is?
No, I don't know.
You don't know anything. Not too much. What do you know? What do you like? Do you have an idea?
Like someone do not use his net, then other one can use like that.
Have you all heard of net neutrality as yet?
Yes, we have heard of it.
All of you have?
Yeah,
Kind of heard about it. Do you guys know anything about it?
No, I don't have a fair clue about it.
You don't have a fair clue about it?
Not enough to talk about it, but then we have some idea.
Some idea. What idea do you have?
It basically, they're going to charge us for every other site we visit. We're going to pay differently for all the sites or the apps that run on internet. They're going to charge us different speeds.
You know what net neutrality is?
Yes.
What is it?
It's net neutrality, right?
What is our individual take on net neutrality?
As far as I think and I know that all over the world the maximum internet is being used by the Indians only. Like the craze of all the social sites of Facebook, YouTube, everything is maximum used in India only. So if net neutrality is applicable on Indians, then all the websites may shut down very soon.
So you support net neutrality? Just say I
Definitely.
support net neutrality.
I do support net neutrality.
No use of paying extra. Earlier we are paying more than $200 for internet for a month. So why should we pay extra money?
Correct.
Net neutrality should be there.
Should be there,
Yeah.
right? So whoever knows about net neutrality supports net neutrality,
Yes.
right? Supports net neutrality. Have we all signed the petition as yet?
Yes.
We all have?
Save the internet.
Save the internet. No idea? No idea?
It is completely unfair. Internet is a utility and it should be given, on a fair basis. This is wrong completely.
Correct. So, do you support net neutrality? Are you supportive of net neutrality?
Of course, I support net neutrality.
Have you signed the petition as yet?
Yes, I have signed yesterday. I sent a mail.
You sent a mail?
Yes.
What did that do?
No, it was a pre-written mail. I just sent it. Still haven't got a reply.
Still haven't got it. Have you signed the petition?
No, not yet, but I will.
You would.
Yeah, even I haven't signed it, but I'm planning to sign.
Everybody in the
What
right
if
mind.
net neutrality is not there? What would be the impact of that on your life?
It would. Personally, I don't want to talk about it because it would affect a lot of young people like me, mostly young boys.
I get it, yeah.
Okay. So personally and growth-wise, it's gonna affect the growth on the people's education because everything will be paid. For example, Reliance has this new thing where you have to pay a little bit extra to use Google, but Bing is free. Same thing with Bawa jobs or something like that, but you have to pay for Naukri jobs. So it's basically racism on the internet, something like that. Netism.
Have you all signed the petition as yet? No. Haven't signed the petition as yet. Are you planning on signing the petition?
We'll see.
You'll see.
If
You would first want to know what net neutrality is.
yeah, exactly.
Right. You're going to do the same, right?
Yeah.
I'll sign.
You sign. High five.
I guess.
So you support net neutrality?
Yeah, of course. Everybody supports net neutrality. Only bozos don't support it. So,
Have you signed the petition yet?
no, I'm too lazy for that.
Sign it then. If you want to make a change, do it. Are you going to sign the petition?
Yeah, as soon as I get my internet, I'm too cheap to pay for my internet right now. So.
Give it.
If you guys support net neutrality, all three of you, give it a thumbs up.
So have you guys signed the petition yet?
You have.
You?
Pass.
Have you? Yes or no? Will you do it? Will you sign the petition? You? You have signed the petition. Will you? Today. Like today. Yeah. Today.
Don't care if you are black
or white. Just do what is right.
Why don't we just come out of this small box wherein people just keep on, discussing and debating on things like racism, which are so meaningless in life? Why don't we all just stand up for something like this, wherein, which makes a little sense in life, which would help us grow in our respective lives and would make this country a better place to live in. What do you say, Archana?
Exactly, like make peace. Make peace, make this country a better place to live in, a society a better place to live in, and also make India a country, a democratic country. Prove India is a democratic country.
As the constitution states.
Exactly.